what's up, my beautiful people? I wanted to come with a new video for everyone. This is something different for my channel, but I wanted to share all the things that I actually like on this channel. And I was like, you know, instead of keeping it to the one thing, which a lot of you guys may know me for, my glasses, there's a couple of things, not a lot, there's a couple of things that make me who I am as a collective, and I wanted to share that with my audience. So my first ever crochet video, I am here, I am excited for it, and I ordered a Market Makes subscription. It's a crochet subscription for the month of September, and this is her first month doing it. And it comes in this bag. I don't want to show my address and all that on there, but I'm gonna unpack it. This is my first crochet related video for my channel, so I'm super excited about that because I get to show you, like, in the life of a hook obsessed, yarn obsessed person. And if you looked at any of my videos, you can kind of see that I have like yarn here and I have it other places over the house. But we're going to dive into the subscription box. Now, I'm going to say I was so waiting for this, and I try my best not to look on TikTok for any others, like everybody else stuff, but I couldn't help it. So I went with the, I think my package, I can't remember how much it was, but I went with the 3 yarn package. So I got 3 Premier chunky yarn. We got it in orange and 2 whites, and this is supposed to make a giraffe, so I'm super excited about that. I did see the pattern, so that's how I know. And some people are, or is it the giraffe? Ooh, I'm saying the giraffe, but I'm thinking, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just keep going. I don't know, we'll see as I look in the information. So it comes with 3 yarn in mines, the ones that, the package that I chose. So let's just, packaged very well. It came in a poly, but it's packaged very well, and I really love that. And the yarn, this would be my first time trying the Premier Chunky, and I wanted to buy some of this yarn but never got around to ordering off of the Premier website. But I think this is the one that Dollar Tree sell, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't hold me to that one. But I really wanted to try this yarn, so when I saw the subscription box, just kind of scrolling through TikTok, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna actually go ahead and just purchase it. So I'm one of the first subscribers for the Market Makes subscription, and I'm excited every month to see how this actually works, you know, what other things and great things she has coming up. So with that being said, there's a bag that she have here of extras, and I wanted to show that, so we're going to go through it together. And I wanted to say, for anyone out there who may be thinking about a subscription, this is how I looked at it, because one thing I always wanted to do was an advent calendar for Christmas time for myself, whereas for yarn, and I saw that some people were doing it, but the thing was, sometimes they could be a little expensive, and I wasn't ready to spend that amount of money for them just yet. So I was just like, okay, so what I can do is see if they have any yarn subscriptions. So just from me searching yarn subscription boxes on TikTok, I came across Market Makes, and I feel like everything is connected the way it's supposed to be. So it lands me there, and that's how I actually ended up doing subscribing. So I'm excited. So anyways, it says Meet the Makers, and we have a pattern by Sam Fox at Foxton Mom Life, and inside we have felt eyes, and it shows where she got the felt eyes from, felt mouth, the hooks. This is exciting. So there's actually a hook that came with, I did not expect the hook, guys. This is awesome. Okay, so we have the ghost pattern by Foxton Mom Life. So I thought it was a giraffe pattern. So no, I'm with the ghost pattern. There is a group I'm a part of with the Market Makes, and I saw some people doing giraffes. Maybe they got the giraffe pattern from Sam Fox's website. So anyways, so we have this right here, and then I have a scan the code for links to all the makers, which I think is very, very cute. And we also have this month's coupon code is 15% off one-time purchase of Parfait Chunky Yarn. That is amazing. So I'm excited about just everything, and it comes with this nice card that gives us all the details that I just was reading. Then here is our extras here. So let's just get into the extras, because I know I don't want to talk a little too much, but I'm excited, and I hope you all are excited. Okay, so we have this little cutter, which is like a little scissors to snip it. This is very important because I don't know why I'm a person that lose a lot of darn scissors, my little teeny scissors for crafting, and I really needed one of these, so I'm excited about this because I lose this a lot too. So I'm excited about this. So we have that. Okay, I am here for it. I'm telling you, this right here is amazing. So we also have some eyes, guys. This is, I don't like, so far, even with the yarn and the eyes and all of these things, and I have some eyes at home just like this. I have a lot of different eyes, but I'm telling you, even with all of this, I feel like it's worth it. I feel like so far, if I haven't showed you guys anything else, it's so worth it. And, you know, some people can say, well, I'll buy the eyes, whatever, but you got to think about shipping and all this other stuff. So to have it collectively together in this nice package, and each month, just like I said, I did it because I wanted to do the advent calendar, but I was like, hey, I can afford it more so doing it each month, you know, with that price. And then, you know, it's kind of like my advent calendar for the year. So that's how I looked at it. But anyways, we have these eyes, and then I'm going to open it because some people may not see how they work. And like I said, I had some already because I did some amigurumi before. And we have like the silver glitter to go with them, and it comes with these little pieces here. So what you do is you put the glitter part on the eye, so then it automatically, I'm trying to show you here, it automatically turns into that. So you can see that nice glitter. I don't want to take the plastic off until I actually use it, but you can kind of see that glitter there, and I really like that. Excuse my nail. Ooh. Anyways, I really like that. And it comes with the backings for that as well. So then this will be a first for me, so I'm excited about this. We have felt eyes, so if you don't want to use those eyes, you can use the felt eyes. I really like these. I never used felt eyes before, but I really wanted to use them. Never used them, but here we go. I have a chance to use them, so I'm excited about these. Then we also have a couple of more things here. These are some felt, are these like felt mouth? You see that? I want to say it's the mouth, like that can go in a ghost. I'm not 100% sure. Let's look on the card real quick. I'm sorry. So it comes with the yarn, felt eyes. Yes, those are felt mouths. Okay. So these are some mouse that we can put on our ghosts, which I really like this option because, like, I have a little nephew he just turned 1, and I like to make different things for them. So what I'm thinking about doing, each creation that I make, I'm not sure. I'm starting an Etsy shop, so I want to put some stuff on Etsy. But I think what I'm going to do is start making Christmas items. So each thing that I make is going to be like a Christmas item. So if I start making these things, I can put them all, you know, in Christmas gifts. So I'm excited about that. And these are amazing. These are some ghosts. Oh, help me out here. Stitch markers. Jeez. I don't know how I forgot that. These are some ghost stitch markers that I really think they are so cute. loopandbee.com, and you get 2 little stitch markers, which I will use to go along with the yarn and everything. That is gorgeous. I really like that. So last but not least, and just like it says, it comes with a 4mm crochet hook, which is awesome. Now it tells us, just like I say, everyone who contributed to this subscription box, it has it on the card. And if you're new to crochet, you don't have like a hooks for it, it comes with a hook. You don't even have to worry about that. That's something that is very unique, because a lot of people may just starting out and they're like, oh, I don't have that size hook or something. You don't even have to worry about it. Include everything you need to make this project or turn this into the amazing ghost that you're gonna make, you know, and right in time for Halloween or for that season. It don't have to just be Halloween. You may just want to decorate it just to decorate it. So with that being said, I'm super excited about introducing this to my channel. I'm super excited for everyone just taking another look into something that I really, really love, which is crochet. Just like my frames, if you all have not checked out any of my glasses video, I do some eyeglasses videos, and they are subscription. You know, every pair that I talk about are subscription, but you can get them without the subscription from the various websites that I actually use. So thank you guys for staying with me this long in a video. I look forward to sharing more crochet likes with you all. I'm super excited about the Market Makes subscription. She is on TikTok, I want to say as Loops and Bees, if I'm not mistaken, so you can kind of check her out. I'll try to put everything in the subscription, but subscription in the description box below, and just kind of let you guys see, you know, how to reach her. If you want to, you know, join a subscription, I highly recommend it. I give it a 10 out of 10. The things are amazing. I really, really love this, and I look forward to many, many more. Until next time, I am your one and your only Lady Simone. See you next time.